It keeps Good morning, everyone. My name is John Murray. I'm the city controller for the city of Scranton. We are recording this meeting this morning because we're still having an issue getting our live stream going up on the ECTV YouTube channel. Today we are opening the structural demolition bids for our Office of Economic and Community Development. I will go share the screen and we will commence with the bid openings. Try that again. And there it is, demolition of hazardous structures. It appears we have 3 submitted proposals. We'll start with the first proposal from Bederick Excavating after I unseal the bids. The bids are unsealed now. Just as a notification, these bids are not allowed to be opened until 10 o'clock, and the system does not allow you to open it until 10 o'clock, and as well, the system does not accept any bids after the 10 o'clock hour. So here we go with Bederick Excavating. Their RFP content is here. Cost and price as submitted is as follows. Base bid number 1, 1635 Sanderson Avenue, $24,000. Base bid number 2, 122 Hennessy Court, $19,000. Base bid number 3, 1814, 1816 Washburn Street, $29,900. Base bid number 4, 1017 Ash Street, $14,500. Base bid number 5, 535 North Main Avenue, $12,000. Base bid number 6, 1324, 1326 Rear Penn Avenue, $40,000. Contract allowances and unit prices. Okay, unit prices. Number 1, chain link fits, $43 for a total of per linear foot, for a total of 175 linear feet for $7,525. Total allowances for base bid number 6, $75.25. They acknowledge receipts of the addenda, and that is their cost and price for the Bederick construction. They have 51 years of experience. They are registered. Bonds are here. We did attach some miscellaneous documents. Relationships are non-applicable. Affidavits. Affirmative action is here. Non-segregated facilities is here. Their non-collusion affidavit. Non-collusion affidavit is here, and it's signed. Disclosures. Disclosures are here, and the disclosure statement is signed. Insurance coverage is in order. They're not in any regulatory violation. They don't have any pending suits against the city, and their certificate of insurance is attached. And that was Bederick Construction. Next, we'll go to Don Scartelli Construction Services and General Contractors. Their RFP content is attached. And we'll go to cost and price. And the Scartelli Construction Services cost and price. Base bid number 1, $1,635. Sanderson, $18,900. Base bid number 2, 122 Hennessy Court, $10,000. Base bid number 3, 1816 Washburn Street, $28,600. Base bid number 4, 1017 Ash Street, $38,900. Base bid number 5, 535 North Main Avenue, $12,995. Base bid number 6, 1326 Rear Penn Avenue, $48,885. Contract allowances, number 1, chain link fence, $30 per linear foot, 175 feet, $52.50, $5,250. And it's signed by Mr. Scartelli, and all appears to be in order. Cost and price passes. Years of experience passes. They are registered in the city of Scranton. Bonds are here. Other documents, list of owners equipped, okay. Relationships are not applicable. Affidavits, affirmative action is here. Non-segregated facilities is here. Their non-collusion affidavit. Non-collusion affidavit is here and signed. Disclosures. Disclosures are here. Questions answered, signed. Insurance coverage meets qualifications. Not currently in violation of any regulatory rules, not involved in any litigation against the city of Scranton, and their certificate of insurance is attached. And that was Scartelli Construction Services and General Contractors. Our third and final bid is from SRI. And their RFP content is here. Go to the cost and price. And base bid number 1, 1635 Sanderson Avenue, $14,800. Base bid number 2, 22 Hennessy Court, $16,600. Base bid number 3, 816 Washburn Street, $23,500. Base bid number 4, 1017 Ash Street, $10,800. Base bid number 5, 535 North Main Avenue, $9,600. Base bid number 6, 1326 Rear Penn Avenue, $21,800. And they are chain link fence, linear foot, 11 by 175, looks like $1,925. That is from SRI. That is their cost and price proposal. $25 years experience. They are registered. They have bonds. Supporting documentation. not addressed in above. Relationships are non-applicable. Affirmative action is here. Certificate of non-segregated facilities is here. The non-collusion affidavits. Non-collusion affidavit is attached and signed. And their disclosures. Disclosures are attached and signed. Insurance coverage is in order. They're not in violation of any regulatory rules. They're not involved in any current litigation, and their certificate of insurance is attached. And that is the bid from, or proposal, I should say, from SRI. They are 3 disposals: Bederick Excavating, Don Scartelli Construction Services and General Contractors, and SRI. These documents will be passed on to our Office of Economic and Community Development. They will be reviewed by that staff there under a committee and by their legal department. So that is today's bid. This will be posted shortly on the ECTV YouTube station. Thank you for tuning in, and we are available if anybody wants to attend a bid in City Council chambers the next bid, if we're not up and running and streaming again yet. So thank you for watching. So long.